Very recently, in spring 2014, Handelsblatt magazine reported China's steelworks working flat out. At the moment, China's boom is faltering. Instead of the double-digit growth rates of recent years, in 2014 the figure will be just 8%. This isn't affecting the steelworks, who are producing more than ever. The country's biggest metallurgical plants produce an average of 1.8 million tons of crude steel per day. In July 2014, the Focus reported, with an annual production of almost 700 million tons of crude steel and a global market share of around 46%, China is the world's largest producer of crude steel. To the Chinese government, this state-dominated model industry is right at the top of the economic expansion agenda. The Chinese government alone pumped around 210 billion euros into the domestic steel industry between 2000 and 2009.
And this is just the start. A few months ago, China's largest listed steel company, Bao Steel, was given the green light to build a huge steelworks in a port town in southern China. And after a delay lasting years, manufacturer Wuhan Iron was awarded a permit to start building an iron works. The world's largest steel producer by some margin is Agriol Metal, followed by two Japanese producers Nippon Steel and Sumitomo Metal. In the third place is the Hebei Group with 42.8 million tons per year and a workforce of 121,000, closely followed by Bao Steel with 42.7 million tons per year. Bao Steel is Fitog's main supplier and was the world's second most profitable steel company in 2012. Bao Steel produced top-quality alloys for air and space applications and steel for atomic power plants and the chemical and petrochemical industry. Their products typically feature great rigidity, good weldability and good machining characteristics. And of course, there is also the steel for the automotive industry. 50 different alloys in all for crankshafts, drive cables and torque rods, approved by the top automotive manufacturers in Japan and Germany. All the main certificates from ISO 9001 through ISO 40001, OHSAS 80001 and certificates for testing, inspection laboratories and metallurgical reference materials.
Fitog have 600 tons of crude steel in store, plus 500,000 forging blanks. Hytima processes 450 tons of high-grade steel per month. Tensile testers are used to constantly monitor the mechanical properties of raw materials, half-finished and finished products. Spectroscopy and X-ray testing are also control processes that are regularly used. ROS, ATIX, TA Luft 3.1, PED, CE, and ISO 15848 law emission are just some of the more than 10 certificates awarded to Fitog and Hytima. In the 6th episode of SISON Focus, I shall be reporting on all the other SISON locations used by Fitog, Hytima and SISON. Wednesday, December 17th, 4 p.m.